New York's outer boroughs have also been struggling to get out from under the snow. And our next guest calls the city's response to the blizzard a disaster. New York City Councilman Daniel Dromm of Queens is here to tell us why he and many of his constituents feel that way. Welcome, Councilman.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Well, it is a disaster. When you have people being brought to Elmhurst Hospital on a sleigh or on a piece of plastic or a plastic bag because ambulances cannot get in the roads up to Elmhurst Hospital, then that is a disaster.
And with some potentially tragic consequences,
Absolutely.
as we've been learning over the last 24 hours.
A woman in Corona died because ambulances couldn't get to her house. It took an hour and 45 minutes for EMS people to respond because they couldn't get down the street to her house.
The mayor was very cautious today about saying we're not sure if the ambulances could have saved all those people. But for the first time today, he really acknowledged that there were some potentially very serious, severe, tragic ending consequences of those delays. But let's talk from his perspective a little bit. This storm, the snow fell especially hard and fast. The winds were a lot higher than usual, a lot more snow than we usually get here in this area. And it was really hard to get some of the private contractors that the city always relies on because it was Christmas weekend. Was this just the perfect storm? Well,
look, the mayor's job is to get rid of the snow. All anybody has to do is look out their window and they'll see that the snow is still there. That being said, in the past, this job was done. I don't know what went wrong this time. We're going to hold hearings in the city council to find out what went wrong, but something definitely went wrong. And I think part of the problem that went wrong is that the mayor was not listening to people. We were out there telling people from Monday on that we were not being listened to, that these emergency conditions existed in our neighborhoods and the outer boroughs, and we were not being listened to and we were not being heard.
On Monday during the storm?
That's right.
And what were they not hearing?
That they needed to have snow plows out there starting on Sunday night. I noticed in my neighborhood that there was no plow. Usually what happens is you get somebody to come out and they plow or they salt when the first signs of snow come.
Well, it's hard for me to defend. I'm not trying to defend the mayor. I'm just trying to play devil's advocate or balance this just a bit. Mayor Bloomberg hasn't fully explained, nor has his sanitation commissioner, what has taken so long. But they have said that in those first few hours when the snow was falling just so quickly, to plow the first 2 inches and then, an hour later, another 2 inches on the ground, it makes it a lot harder to keep up. That went straight for over 20 inches in certain neighborhoods.
We didn't see a plow in my neighborhood until last night at 7 p.m., and that's a problem. So whether it should have started this time or that time or whatever, the fact of the matter is that for about 2 days, there was no plow in my neighborhood, the district that I represent. And it still remains that way. There are streets that are impassable at this very moment.
Yes, and they're hoping to get those all cleared by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll see if that really happens. I'm looking at a news advisory that was put out by your office, and I want to ask you about something that's written in here. It says, Councilman Dromm faults the mayor for, quote, drinking French onion soup at a restaurant while other New Yorkers' lives are at risk. What was your point in saying that?
I wanted to make sure that people understood that the mayor's office put this photo out, and at a time when we were suffering.
Let's just clarify for the viewers. This was Mayor Bloomberg stopping at a bar in Bay Ridge, correct? Having a bowl of soup.
Right. And then they put that out while other people...
He visited all 5 boroughs.
That's correct. While other people in my district were suffering, bringing people by sled to the hospitals, and the mayor decided to put that thing out. It's a slap in the face of all New Yorkers.
Well, playing devil's advocate with you once again, the mayor he's sort of darned if he does and darned if he doesn't. If he doesn't go out and visit the neighborhoods and survey the snowfall for himself, then he would be criticized for not visiting. So here he made stops in all 5 boroughs. And he had a cold, so someone brought him a bowl of soup. Are you being a little harsh?
I think that's nice, but I think that it sets a tone for what's going on. And I think really the pictures that should have been out there was the mayor doing something. My office, for example, we put out a picture. I had to get an ambulance out of a snowdrift.
Right.
Okay, and so I went out and I started pushing ambulances out of snowdrifts. I went to people's homes and I knocked on their doors. I made sure that their streets were cleared so they could get dialysis. I went to the nursing home in my neighborhood to make sure that there was access for ambulances to reach those people. And the mayor puts out a picture of him drinking soup.
All right, well, we'll stay in touch with you over the next 24 hours. Keep us posted about the conditions in your community. We appreciate you joining us.
Thank you very much.